Hi everybody, it's Rachel from Reddick Library, and today we're going to make a garden stepping stone. First, you're going to gather all your supplies. Mortar mix if you have it, or concrete mix will do, safety glasses, a 9-inch pie plate, your decoration of choice, something to smooth the concrete with, something to mix with, water, and a bucket to mix all the concrete together. But first step, I'm going to wash my pennies. I use a mixture of vinegar and salt to scrub them clean. Then I lay out my pie plates, and I'm going to use a double-sided sticky contact paper to hold my design in place. I'm going to cut it to the size of the bottom of the pie plate and stick it to the pie plate, and then peel off the paper to put my design on top with the pennies. It'll hold it in place when I add concrete. Then I'm going outside to mix concrete, but safety first, wear your goggles. I'm going to mix my concrete to the package direction, adding water and stirring. Then I'm going to gently press it into the pie plate all the way to the top, not smearing it, but pressing it in all the way to the top. This is the general consistency you're looking for. It's going to look wet. I did 2 of them in case I made a mistake, and the one on the right is not going to work because that one is too dry. But the one on the left I cured for 24 hours and flipped out of the pan, gently peeling off the sticky paper. And I have my stepping stone. I'm going to patch a little bit on this left and then seal it with a marine grade sealer and add it to my garden. Hope you enjoyed.